time to start feeling good again. This new year serves as an opportunity for all of us to renew our focus on our health and wellness. And it's never been more important to really focus in on your physical and mental health. And at Planet Fitness, we want you to do so by feeling Fitacular with great workouts throughout the entire year. Now, we've all been impacted by the pandemic, both physically and mentally, where the American Psychological Association reports that 42% of adults have gained unwanted weight as a result of the pandemic, on average of about 29 pounds. Now, the same can be said for our mental health as well. But the key is this: exercise can actually help you feel better and to alleviate stress and anxiety. When we work out, our brain releases neurotransmitters called endorphins that actually help us to boost our mood, and they actually help to subtract out the stress hormones. Now, at Planet Fitness, we want everybody to understand that we're creating safer environments for everyone to gym confidently. And new for 2022, Planet Fitness is the first fitness brand to achieve the Well Health Safety Rating. And this is important because we want our members to gym confidently, being able to see that seal on the outside for when they come into the judgment-free zone. And it doesn't just stop there. If you download our free Planet Fitness app, you'll have access to the crowd meter. It'll tell you your club's capacity in real time, so you make the decision when's the best time to come on in. Then use that same free Planet Fitness app to scan your barcode and enter into the judgment-free zone without a touch point. Our awesome team members are wiping down high-touch areas more frequently now than ever before, and we've got cleaning stations all throughout the gym. When we exercise, it's important to understand that you're not only going to look better, but you're also going to feel better. So start your workout with a dynamic warm-up and then do some strength exercises that target multiple muscle groups at the same time. Try out our strength equipment like the chest press, leg press, or seated core. After you've done that, then you got to work on that heart and do some cardio. Even if there's no treadmill, elliptical, or bike available, use your body to do some fun cardio alternatives. And then lastly, end every workout with a static stretch to really focus in on your rest and your recovery. If you want more information on how to be Fitacular and how to feel great, we want you to stop into your nearest Planet Fitness, go to our website, or download that free Planet Fitness app. And when you do so, you can join the judgment-free zone today until the 14th for just $0 down, $10 a month, and you can cancel at any time. There's never been a better time to prioritize your health and wellness than it is right now, and to feel Fitacular through the year 2022. We can't wait to see you soon.